What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So this is solved right now, and I'm going to be scrambling it up. So first, in Rubik's Cube logic, I need to teach you algorithms. Algorithms are the basic movements in which you have to solve the Rubik's Cube. So that looks scrambled enough. Yeah. Okay, so these are the algorithms, and I'll list them in the descriptions. And when we solve all these nonsense stuff, I will also put the algorithms in the description for you. Okay, so whenever it's just a normal letter, for instance, a lowercase r would be right. So you turn it clockwise. So the right side of the cube, turn it this way. Right inverted would be counterclockwise. Okay? So left, you want to turn it clockwise. So, like that. Clockwise. And left inverted would obviously be the other way. Now, this is what I call the upper layer. So, up would be this way, because you're turning it clockwise, as you can see. And up inverted would be the other way. This would be the bottom layer, so it would be lowercase b. So b inverted. This is F, representing the front. So F inverted, and so on and so on. It's pretty easy. So let's get to it. You always want to start by solving Rubik's Cube by getting a cross. So first I want to get a green cross, and I recommend repetitively getting the green cross just so that it doesn't throw you off. And then once you get better at this, you can feel free to do whatever. So I locate my first edge piece, and I get an L. Then I get my second edge piece in place with third, and then I get a cross. So after you get a cross, the next step you want to do is align the edges with the center pieces. So first, there's always two matching edge pieces, so I'm going to look for them, and I have them. So there's the white and red. This is where your first algorithm would be in place. So as you can see, they're not matching, but they're flip-flopped. So align them to where one side is on the left and one's facing you. So you go L2, so bring the top to the bottom, B, F2, B inverted, L2. And there you have it. Okay. I apologize, this centerpiece is missing, but it's orange, as you can see. Next, I want to get the corners inside, or corners placed. And as you can also notice, I'm solving layer by layer, as you will see later on. So, this will be your next algorithm. This would be the corner algorithm, which you will be using a lot. So first, I want to get the corner in its corner. So this is the orange, yellow. Now you want to repeat this over and over until the corner gets in the right place. Okay? So right inverted, B inverted, right, B. Right inverted, B inverted, right, B. Now, as you can see, the corner is in place. So the next corner, I want to solve the white, orange. So I'm going to look on my cube for the white, orange, and I found it, orange. Yeah. So I repeat the steps again. Right inverted, B inverted, right, B. 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 Okay, there we go. We have solved half of the first layer. So next, I want to get this corner right here. So I'm going to bring it down, and as you can see, it's lined up. So I'm going to go and repeat the algorithm, and you should already know it. And there we go. And I will do the same for here. I align it in this row. And there you have it. You have your first layer of the cube. And now I want to show you something else. So, whenever you are getting the cross and aligning the edge pieces up, you might have noticed that rather than having the two missing edge pieces next to each other, they could be straight across. So, in that instance, all you need to do is just for both sides, these sides, flip it all the way around to the bottom, switch it, and then flip it again, and then that's all you have to do. So next, solving the second layer. This is the more difficult layer I propose, but the basic idea is to get a straight line, finding that, and putting it there. Okay, so well, let's do it. I'm getting a T with the correct edge piece, and I want to put it here. So this is the right algorithm for the second layer. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up, front inverted, up, and then F. Now I might have screwed up, but it will be in the description. I'm not very good at saying the algorithm while I solve. I just do it. So yeah, there we have it. That's in place. Now, okay, I found the red yellow, so I line it up and I want to put it there. So I use the right algorithm again. Okay. Now we want to get this right here. So this is the left algorithm. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. That will be called the left second layer. So now, finally we have the last edge piece, and we're getting a lucky solve because usually there might be a place right here, and then we have a blue piece. So what you want to do is you just want to do the algorithm until you get the piece aligned. So, final thing, I used the left algorithm there, and I have it solved. So, first two layers, and getting the last one. So again, we want to get a cross up here without messing anything up. So I'm going to use this algorithm. I was really unlucky and I only got a dot, but you usually get a little L. So I do this. Front, up, and then right inverted, front inverted. No! I screwed up. Okay. What do we have here? I apologize. I'm not very good at explaining while solving, so I'll fix it up right here. Okay. That's better. We have a little L square thing, and you always want to put it in the top left when solving. Okay, so just follow this, front, up, and then this. No, I'll do that again, my best. Front, right, up inverted, right, inverted, up inverted, no. Crap. No! What a fail. Well, I fixed it anyways. I will just put the algorithm in the description, because I can't do both. I'm sorry. Okay, so again, like the green cross, you want to get the edge pieces. So we have these missing, so you want to put them like shown and do this. Now I don't really need to say an algorithm because that's well spoken right there. But I'll put it in the description anyways, and they will all be in order, so don't get confused. Next, I have the blue cross, and I want to get the corners. This is the most complicated part of the whole cube, besides second layer. You want to get the matching corner piece in the line. Now, you don't want to do this thing, because that will just mess everything else up. So, you want to do this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, up, right inverted, up inverted, left, and you have that solved. You have this in place, and these are all matching. So, you do the corner algorithm, and when you have that solved, you just turn the top, and voila, you have solved the Rubik's Cube. Now, I apologize. I know I'm not very good at showing you how to do stuff, but please don't be hating on this video, or just leave a comment explaining what I should do better. I hope you enjoyed, as you can see. And here's a fun little checkers pattern you can do. Just turn these all the way, flip the cube, turn, turn, flip the cube, and you have yourself some checkers. Or you can do this fancy pattern where you bring the middle down, bring it over, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye.